Welcome to the world of high net worth financial planning, where complexity meets opportunity. At Davies Wealth Management, we specialize in crafting sophisticated strategies tailored for those with substantial assets. Dive into advanced asset allocation techniques that balance risk and return, ensuring your portfolio thrives even amidst market volatility. Discover how diversification across stocks, bonds, and alternative investments can secure your financial future. But that's not all. Our tax optimization strategies are designed to preserve your wealth. From leveraging tax-efficient vehicles like Roth IRAs to harnessing the power of charitable giving, we help you minimize tax liabilities while maximizing impact. And when it comes to safeguarding your legacy, our asset protection and succession planning techniques ensure your wealth endures for generations. Join us as we explore the intersection of wealth preservation and strategic philanthropy, crafting a comprehensive plan that aligns with your values. At Davies Wealth Management, we empower high net worth individuals to navigate the complexities of wealth management, securing a prosperous future for you and your loved ones.